Please pardon my intrusion. Mr. Iredell, I wish to speak with you, sir.
And so you shall. One moment.
Mr. Iredell.
Sir, whatever your issue, the subject before the court, for which I am preparing, is of paramount importance to my client.
And the issue I wish to discuss with you, sir, is likewise of paramount importance to your client, and not only to your client, but to every citizen of North Carolina.
I assume you are referring to the proposed Bill of Rights.
Indeed, sir. I fail to understand your opposition to such an idea, which has such merit for the common man, which makes such common sense.
Sir, the formation of this government is just beginning. Under the proposed Constitution, our citizenry is guaranteed a government that will defend this country's borders against foreign enemies. Further, it offers the opportunity for prosperity by the regulation of commerce, the collection of tariffs, and the creation of a common currency. The Constitution is the framework of the thing, sir. We will build on that structure in time and in an orderly fashion.
The structure needs a foundation, a solid foundation of individual rights. What now guarantees our rights? A powerful central government, peopled by wealthy, influential, and powerful men, each with his own personal interests at stake? I fear that our young nation may soon find itself with yet another parliament, another monarch, both of which unresponsive to the wishes of the people. And therein lies the fear that no proposed Bill of Rights will ever see the light of day.
Your point is well taken, Mr. Jones, but you forget. The people's representatives will bring their concerns to the forefront. Under the Constitution, these men will serve terms of 2 years with the sole mission of doing just that. And if they fail to do so, vote them out of office. Surely you can see the advantages offered in this document. Have you no faith in these common men?
Mr. Iredell, your faith in mankind surprises me.
Our Constitution sets up a system of checks and balances and separation of powers, because the authors knew full well the nature of man, of his proclivity to abuse power, which runs averse to the idea of a union of states.
A union of states is not the issue. I'm talking about individual rights. Have you forgotten, sir, that 11 years ago we met in Halifax to draft the North Carolina Constitution? A constitution that had a Declaration of Rights as its first article, not as an addendum or amendment. We must protect the individual rights. Freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom of the press, freedom of religion, freedom to bear arms. Mr. Iredell, is there nothing I could say that would persuade you to view this issue in our favor?
For me, sir, it is a procedural matter. As the horse comes before the cart, so does a ratified Constitution come before any amendments, however well needed.
And the sacrifices of our long war of revolution, to what purpose? A union of states? No, sir. We fought for liberty, for freedom from tyranny.
Mr. Jones, you have the good fortune to witness a change in the destiny of man. A new kind of government, one in which the powers of government are prescribed and limited.
And what of the rights of the people? Unprescribed. They lie unprotected. What of these rights, sir?
And shall I have these rights, sir?
Later.